I wanna do this again. I wanna come back and tell these niggas exactly what I fucking said. Yeah. I wanna do this again. I wanna come back and tell these niggas what I fucking said. Oh yeah. Hey, I said fuck the feds. I said fuck all of the thoughts that you got in your head. See, I'm the type of nigga hit you when I ain't scared. That's why I'm coming back repeating what I fucking said. Is fuck you and fuck him and fuck him too. And fuck them dudes if they gon' click up with you. See, I'm not worried about shit. I break all the rules. Don't give a fuck who they is, nigga. Fuck all the rules. I'm by myself, nigga. Out here wildin' out. All by my fucking self, nigga. I was thuggin' on the block by my fucking self, nigga. Everybody stayed at the top, went to the bottom by myself, nigga. Yeah. Okay. I had my back ever since I was in middle school. I got my back, nigga, cause I play by my own rule. Playing for keep, nigga, that's just how it gotta be, nigga. When you from the street, nigga, I come right off a line street, nigga. It can get grimy, nigga. It can be about things, nigga. It can be about nothing, nigga. It can be about something, nigga, huh? Niggas hate for no reason, huh? I don't understand why they for no reason. So I said, God, bring no beat up. Remember when we was squealing right the grain, no beat up, party like a rock like Edo. If a nigga act up, beat up like a motherfucker, beat up, great up, motherfucker, beat up, that my motherfucking people, nigga, squealing, that my people, GC, that my mother, brother, fuck another fucking brother, go to war about my brother. If you run my brother, if you not my brother, I don't trust you. If you run my brother, you not my brother, then don't trust you.